Good morning. My name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills. And the topic for today's discussion is new startups should never be afraid of competitors. Ladies and gentlemen, there are many people in this world doing same kind of business. There are many people in this world manufacturing same kind of goods. We sometimes say that they are competitors. I don't think so. They are not competitors. Just think for a while, if there is only one manufacturer of a particular good in the country, will it be good for everyone in the country? Will the goods produced in one particular industry only satisfy the needs of every Indian or every person living in the world? According to the capacity of an industry, goods are produced. According to the working capacity of an industry, goods are produced. And the amount of goods that the company will produce, it will be able to satisfy only few people. Limited number of goods, limited number of people get satisfied. And if you multiply the number, if you enhance the number of industries manufacturing same kind of goods, it will be able to cater to the needs of everyone in the country. Now we have live example right in front of our own eyes. Take for example soap manufacturing companies. There is not only one soap manufacturing company in the country. Similarly, there is not only one food manufacturing company in the country. There is not only one shoe manufacturing company in the country. There are different kind of brands of food material, different kind of brands of shoes, different kind of brands of other consumable goods. So there are different types of companies manufacturing same kind of goods because they have to cater to the needs of every citizen of the country. If only one organization produces only one kind of good, it will not be able to satisfy everyone in the country. And that's the fact of life. That's why there is no competition at all. If we think that there is competition, we are wrong, ladies and gentlemen. Right now, this is the age of entrepreneurship. I must say that today, most of the final year graduates of different professional colleges, after completing their degrees and whatever they are doing, they are not planning to be the part of a particular industry. They are now planning to start up their own enterprise, to set up their own industry. So they should never keep this thing in their mind that there is some strong player already in the market related to the kind of business that they want to do. And if they start that kind of business, they will never be successful because there are so many big players who are doing the same thing. And in front of those big players, a humble young engineer, a humble young graduate is nothing. He is having no experience of corporate world. He is having no experience of industrial life. How he will stand in front of these big giants? If we start thinking in this manner, we cannot grow. No new startups will ever come in the country. And people will never be able to experience new beautiful things in the world. That's why, please keep this thing out of your mind that there is any kind of competition in the market. If you are doing your best, there is no competition at all. If you are providing good kind of services to your customers, there is no competition at all. You just have to concentrate on one thing, that whatever you are doing, it should be 100% authentic. Whatever you are manufacturing, whatever services you are providing to the customers, it should be 100% genuine. You should not cheat your customers. You should provide 100% authentic services and goods to your customers. Time and again, you should try to understand the changing needs and requirements of your customer. Only then you can survive in the market. So there are a few basic things that you need to keep in your mind if you are going to plan a startup. First of all, the service, the goods that you will be providing to the customers, they should be 100% authentic and genuine. Secondly, invest in advertisement, both online and offline. If you invest good in advertisement, most of the people will come to know about your startup and most of the people would like to have your services. Third point, try to have a dedicated customer service department. If you have a dedicated customer service department, you can very well understand that whether people are liking your goods or not, whether people are liking your products or not. And if they are not liking your products, you can make necessary amendments so that people start liking them. That is the way of life. And last and the major thing, always try to understand the changing needs and desires of your customers and keep changing your manufacturing pattern. You cannot survive in the market by consistently manufacturing a single kind of good. If you think about well-established companies in the country, for example Tata and Mahindra and other such organizations, they are not involved in one kind of business. Tata is in IT also. Tata is in food manufacturing also. Tata is in vehicle manufacturing also. So if you think that you can provide large number of services to your customers, you can explore different domains, that is up to you. And there is no competition at all, ladies and gentlemen. Please keep this thing out of your mind that there is any kind of competition. There is no competition. If we don't have similar kind of industries, we won't be able to cater to the needs of everyone in the country. It is absolutely impossible. That's why there are a large number of organizations manufacturing same kind of goods, providing same kind of services. So please keep competition out of your mind. If you are working genuinely in the direction of manufacturing good products every time, if you are working in the direction of providing consistent customer support to your customers, if you understand the changing needs of your customer and then change your production pattern according to the changing needs of the consumers, you will always survive in the market. There is no competition. So please, whosoever is planning a new startup, the new graduates, the young graduates who have just passed out from different universities, if they want to go for a new startup, please keep this thing out of your mind that there is any kind of competition. Use your knowledge, use your own specific knowledge, your own specific experience. Utilize the knowledge of your own specific subjects that you have studied in your graduation and post-graduation. Make use of that knowledge and just go for the startup without any second thought in your mind. You will be 100% successful if you are providing genuine services to your customer. There is no competition at all. Have faith in your abilities, have faith in your knowledge, and just move ahead. You will always be successful. So that's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey Trainer BTech MBA. It stands for Engineer Piyush Pandey Trainer BTech MBA. And please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get instant notification of all my latest videos. Thank you very much. Have a great day.